MECCO was founded in 1889 in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania by Miles Cunningham, and our business has always been focused around part identification and traceability. So we started off doing rubber stamps and different types of presses for marking. In the late 20s, early 30s, doing hand stamps. And so we started developing technology for stamping of steel. So a lot of hammer and chisel type of marking. Then we started focusing on more automated, actually, even with the stamping. So we started doing what we call slab and bloom markers, which were big machines that would come in and impact the sides of the steel. And as MECCO continued to grow, continued to grow its technology, and the products that we offered become more and more automated with the manufacturing world. MECCO's always been focused on how do we implement traceability within the process, not just about the equipment, about the process. Even to the point where MECCO was actually the first company to patent marking a 1D and a two-dimensional barcode on the surface of an object. When we look at our progression of technology, you look at saying, all right, how do we eliminate the need for hand stamps altogether? And that's where we started looking at integrating dot peen solutions. So we went on a path to develop what we call the safety seal, and that was our very first laser. It wasn't the standard run-of-the-mill type of system. We're actually vacuum sealing to the part, using it as the sixth side of the laser-safe enclosure. We want to make a product that most manufacturers can use, but we don't stop at that point. What we look to do is then make it more specific for the customer, because the customer's applications will vary. We understand the entire process, not just our equipment, but how our equipment gets integrated and how it's successfully marking parts on the floor.